Check out this intriguing effects available in PowerPoint. Transition is one of the best ways to add effects to your presentation. And that is exactly what we are going to learn in this video. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. Before discussing the interesting part, let us first understand the basics. As you can see on the screen, transitions are the visual effects that occur in your presentation as you move from one slide to next. There is a variety of predefined transitions to choose from, and within each, you get various other customizations. But this was all classic. Let's get to the fascinating part, and that is the Morph Transition. It is a new transition that is added to PowerPoint 2019 onwards. Morph Transition basically gives an illusion of growth or expanding. For example, take a look on this presentation, based on same topic but with few modifications in Morph Transition. Notice how the objects shift from their place and enlarge. Let's understand how to create a Morph Transition with the same example. In a previous video I have already explained how to create a text overlay. Do check that out if you haven't already. Now duplicate this slide. Slide the text overlay effect upwards. Now, go to Insert and insert a rectangle similar to what we did for text overlay. Fill the shape with black solid color. Increase the transparency to 25%. Now insert a text box to add required title to your slide. Then choose appropriate font attributes to enhance the look of your presentation. Do the same procedure for the info or the content part. Now go to Insert tab and choose 3D models and use stock. Search for sun and insert the 3D model. Adjust the model accordingly. The best part about this is that you can rotate this about its axis, which gives the user advanced customization and effect options. Now select the content box and copy-paste it. Then slide the new content outside the slide view. Update it with the text you want to present in next slide. This will be used in making a morph transition for the next slide. Now duplicate the current slide. Shift the previous slide content out of the slide view and let the new one shift in. Make sure to shift the model of sun and even rotate it. Now again duplicate the second slide, but this time, let the new slide be the first and delete the first. This time shift all the content other than background out of the slide. Shift the text overlay effect in the slide. You may use selection pane to select the same. Now select the second slide. Go to Transition tab and select Morph. Do the same for the third slide as well. Also don't forget to rotate the sun in the first slide for extra effects. The presentation is now ready. There is an interesting thing to notice. Some might say there was no use of adding effects in first slide, as we could directly add a predefined transition in the first slide. Let's try that. Adding a predefined transition is way easier than adding a morph. Simply select the slide, go to Transitions and select the one you want. Let's choose Push, which is the closest predefined transition to the one we did already. Notice the difference? How about now? The one with morph looks way better. There are actually two differences. Comment them, let's see if you are able to get them right. You can see, in short, the steps for adding Morph Transition on the screen. Since you have been watching this video till the end, let me tell you what's coming up next. In an upcoming video, we are going to learn a feature that lets us do this during the slide presentation. In the meantime, you can practice Morph Transition with other planets model. That's it for this video. Share this video to help others and stay tuned in by subscribing.